something?
No, we're gonna see what is in the box.
Okay, first of all, Nana got you both two little mouses. Look, look. Hi, mouse. And this is for Bird.
Oh.
Look, Bird. I say hi, little mouse. Yeah, say hi, little mouse. And they come with a book. And the book is called If You Take a Mouse to the Movies. So here goes a book for the mouses. Kind of ritzy in here, Chief. And then
Asia.
here go a book.
What is that?
A mouse.
Right?
Is it a mouse?
Meow.
Let me
Pop,
see.
pop.
The mouse.
Look at what they did, y'all.
The mouse.
Jeremy just they so nosy. What's this? Is this to make him faster?
What?
Is this? What is this?
Oh,
Grits. We have chocolate here. Then we
I
have
got my man.
a gang of. They don't need to see all the rest of this. They go a book. They don't need to see the rest of
Wow.
this. They don't need to see the rest of this.
What is it? The lollipops?
Lollipops. And here goes some lollipops.
Oh my gosh.
Lollipops from Pop Pop.
Lollipop.
Pop Pop, Pop Pop, and Nana got you some lollipops.
You like lollipops, Asia?
Yeah.
Say thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
And then
Can I?
some of this.
Yeah!
Some of what?
The hustle of this one?
Show it to us.
Some Play-Doh.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Say thank you, Nana.
Thank you, Nana.
I love
Give it to
you.
Mommy. Why
I
don't
love
shove that up
you.
my chest?
Get a finger?
This is bad.
Mommy,
Yes,
I
wait.
see Nana.
Okay, wait. We're gonna see what's in the box.
Huh?
Yeah.
Lollipop, lollipop. Gang. Pop, pop.
Oh.
Pop Pop. Say thank you, Pop Pop.
Pop, pop.
Yes. Thank you, Pop Pop. Say thank you so much.
You can upload it on YouTube and send it to them. Close the door.
What?
She said close the door.
Close the door.
It means open.
Open the lollipops up. Okay, you can have one lollipop each.
Lollipop too.
Lollipop for Bird.
Lollipop, Aiden. What's this one?
Which one you want?
What's this one?
You want the blue one? You sure?
I sure.
You sure? Okay.
I
Alright.
strawberry. Lollipop.
It's not a strawberry. It's a watermelon.
So just like my mother told me.
Pop.
A lollipop. Is it good? Is it good? Oh.
I got mouse.
Hi, mouse.
Mama.
You eating a lollipop?
Eating a lollipop?
Mm-hmm.
Cause you up here trekking. Now, the rest of this stuff, like these grits, I don't know why these grits survive, but the other ones.
Maybe it blew up on the plane, like the pressure.
Mommy,
Yeah.
Why this one
I would
blew
like
up?
cool.
You all done? Thank you.
Raw Abington maybe? It wasn't a fart. said all done?
Mm-hmm. She playing with the mouse.
That's that bull.
The mom.
Mm-hmm. Where's the nose?
These are for the lady of the house. Enjoy it, please.
What is it, Rolos? Oh, Hershey's Kisses. The ones she got me last Christmas. Give it to me. Thank you.
Sweet tarts, just for the father. Only for the father. This is, okay, enjoy. Fee, I thought these Halloween stickers would be fun for the girls.
No, that's
Love,
for Asia.
Nana. Asia and Naomi. Boo. To Asia and Naomi, hugs and kisses, Nana.
Mm-hmm. You said thank you, Nana. Nana. Say thank you, Nana.
Oh, look at the ghost. And the ghost says, boo. Nothing spooky, nothing scary. Just all the love that a card can carry. Happy Halloween to Asia and Naomi, and lots of hugs and kisses. Love, Nana. Say love you, Nana. Say I love you, Nana. Okay.
Get your feet off the table.
Okay,
Oh, good
very
job.
Good. To the left part of the computer.
Where are we, Nana? Go still where?
Then
Where? It's right here.
Then we have boo. Yeah. To our girls, Asia and Naomi. What? Woo-hoo. I miss you. Happy Halloween.
Hey, Pop.
Nana and Papa.
Pop.
What?
I'm crying.
It's crying.
Oh, he missed you.
I'm happy. I'm crying. Be happy. Be crying. Be happy. Be crying. Be happy. Be crying. Be happy. Be happy.
Yeah.
Be crying.
You
Crying.
Lollipop.
Lollipop. Lollipop. Lollipop.
And then we have for the girls sweet tarts. We have sweet tarts for the girls. Toasters, quick, fast. Throw them in there. Take them out. Get your ass to daycare. Breakfast. Mm-hmm.
Lollipop, lollipop. You okay? Woo! Do like this? You okay? Oh, pick that up, please.
Mommy, I want
What's she
some
say?
cookies.
No, that's not cookies.
That's breakfast. You gotta get that in the morning.
Thank you.
What is this?
Lollipop. Ew.
What I know.
And the
Yeah,
box.
from Nana and Papa.
Yeah, it's no
And we
more.
gotta read the book with it.
So I'm gonna just keep this in there and keep the,
Here
because there's so much.
you go.
Where he go?
Asia, sit next to Naomi.
We sleepy. Mommy,
Yes.
we sleepy.
Oh, he's so tired.
Debo,
Oh.
why
Can you look at me
why
and
you
say
always
thank you,
hitting
Nana and Papa?
Thank you, Lana, Papa.
We love you.
I got Papa.
Finger, finger.
Winga, winga. Winga,
See you later.
winga. Patti, Bobby, Patti, Bobby.
Now back to
How
the
do I-
championship game.
How do I